Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered at least once. Whether you're a student working on a research paper or a professional putting together a presentation, running into this issue can be frustrating. But fear not, because I've got a solution that will make your life a whole lot easier. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. By using solution, you can easily overcome problem and streamline your work process. This innovative approach not only saves you time, but also ensures that your final product is well organized and professional. Gone are the days of stressing out over problem. With solution, you can tackle any task with confidence. In addition to solution, another helpful tip is to solution. This simple yet effective strategy complements solution and enhances your overall productivity. By incorporating these techniques into your workflow, you'll be amazed at how much smoother and efficient your work becomes. Say goodbye to the days of getting stuck on problem. Embrace these solutions and conquer your tasks like a pro. In summary, facing problem is no longer a daunting challenge with the right tools at your disposal. By implementing solution in solution, you can overcome any obstacles that come your way and elevate your work to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on today's video. Until next time, happy problem solving!